Hey guys, a couple of weeks ago, someone from Slate reached out and asked me if I want to try out their plugins. I said yes, and they gave me 1 year for their all access pass. A couple of days ago, the Murda Melodies plugin came out. It's a multi-purpose, multi-effect, multi plugin. For me, it doesn't really matter the artist that is endorsing the plugin as long as the plugin is good. I have to say that this plugin is really good for a couple of reasons, and I want to showcase that right now. Let's go through the interface and I will showcase it how I like to use Murda Melodies. I quite like the interface. I think it's clean, really easy to use, intuitive. On top left we have spread. This is a really nice mono-compatible from what I've tested stereo spreader, high pass and low pass filters. The filters can be linked, so you can create really nice filter sweeps. That's amazing when it comes to drops, when it comes to creating transitions. A pitch shifter that goes from -24 to +24, dimension, motion, ice, and hit. Then in the middle we have wobble, amount, so we can blend the process signal with the dry signal, ensemble, clarity, rhythm, and reverse. In the middle we have some cool animation, in slider, out slider, so we can gain compensate, and the on and off button, the bypass. Also you have bypass for all individual effects. I have a cool little loop in my session that sounds like this. Now I want to go through all the effects and see what I can get. Let's start with the spread. Even though this is a more bassy type sound, we still retain that mono compatibility that I was talking about in the beginning. You can see that if I engage the mono button in Studio One, the sound stays the same. So you can use this without a fear of losing information when it comes to collapsing your mix in mono. Let's move to the dimension. For me, dimension sounds like some early reflections. It creates a really nice ambience around the sound, gives the sound a nice stereo width. Motion is modulation. Ice, it's a reverb, but it has a certain sound. It's really bright. One cool thing that you can do with this is to automate it, so you can create build-ups. Hit, saturation, distortion. As you can hear, it works nice on bassy stuff, the classic wobble effect. Works nice in adding some textures, in creating intros and things like that. Then we have reverse. I think you can get really creative with this one when it comes to producing, adding reverse on certain sounds, automating it even. Then we have rhythm, which is a delay. Clarity doesn't work that great on instruments or things that don't already have top end information. It works amazing in enhancing the top end on vocals or synth leads or other instruments that have some energy in the top end. I will showcase that in a minute. Ensemble. You can achieve really wide chorusy type effects. Pitch. Really nice thing is that you have the amount here so you can blend the signals, and that works amazing with the pitch module. You can really morph your original sound in all sorts of different ways. This is the traditional way that you can use Murda Melodies, adding it on instruments. Now I want to showcase how I've been using it. I really like using it on sends, especially on delays. I have a song here called All of Me. Let me play you just a little section.
Swear I got time, just moving slower. Swear I got time, just moving slower. Swerving all night, don't pull me over.
As you can hear, we have a really nice delay throw that's morphed a bit. It has a different pitch format from the lead. One thing that I really miss in this plugin is having different controls for the pitch and for the format, and I really hope that Slate will implement this feature in the future, because I really like changing the format of delays without affecting the original pitch.
Slower. Swear I got time, just moving slower. Swerving all night, don't pull me over. When I'm with you, we moving slower. Slower. Over, swear I got time, just moving slower. Swear I got time, just moving slower. Swerving all night, don't pull me over. When I'm with you, we moving slower. Slower. Over, swear I got time, just moving slower. Swear I got time, just moving slower. Swerving all night, don't pull me over. When I'm with you, we moving slower. Slower. Over, swear I got time, just moving slower. Swear I got time, just moving slower. Swerving all night, don't pull me over. When I'm with you, we moving slower. Slower. Over, swear I got time, just moving slower. Swear I got time, just moving slower. Swerving all night, don't pull me over. When I'm with you, we moving slower, slower. Over, swear I got time, just moving slower. Swear I got time, just moving slower. Swerving all night, don't pull me over. When I'm with you, we moving slower, slower. Over, swear I got time, just moving slower. Swear I got time, just moving slower. Swerving all night, don't pull me over. When I'm with you, we moving slower, slower. Over, swear I got time, just moving slower. Swear I got time.
Really close to being a perfect plugin on sends, on delays especially, because it has so many different ways to improve the sound of a delay. I wish that the reverb was a bit more flexible, but other than that, for me, this plugin is amazing for processing delays. Another way that you can use this is on vocals, just to add that stereo width, that sparkle. Let me mute all other effects.
Over, swear I got time, just moving slower. Swear I got time, just moving slower. Swerving all night, don't pull me over. When I'm with you, we moving slower, slower. Over, swear I got time, just moving slower. Swear I got time, just moving slower. Swerving all night, don't pull me over. When I'm with you, we moving slower, slower. Over, swear I got time, just moving slower. Swear I got time, just moving slower. Swerving all night, don't pull me over. When I'm with you, we moving slower, slower. Over, swear I got time, just moving slower. Swear I got time, just moving slower. Swerving all night, don't pull me over. When I'm with you, we moving slower, slower. Over, swear I got time, just moving slower. Swear I got time, just moving slower. Swerving all night, don't pull me over. When I'm with you, we moving slower, slower. Swear I got time, just moving slower. Swear I got time, just moving slower. Swerving all night, don't pull me over. When I'm with you, we moving slower, slower. Swear I got time, just moving slower. Swerving all night, don't pull me over. When I'm with you, we moving slower, slower. Over, swear I got time, just moving slower. Swear I got time, just moving slower. Swerving all night, don't pull me over. When I'm with you, we moving slower, slower. Over, swear I got time, just moving slower. Swear I got time, just moving slower.
As you can hear, this is a great plugin for processing vocals if you want to add some really nice excitement to them. The last thing that I want to showcase is the ability of this plugin to create transitions and beat breaks. We have Murda Melodies inserted on the tubas.
Swear I got time, just moving slower. Swear I got time, just moving slower. Swerving all night, don't pull me over. When I'm with you, we moving slower, slower. Over, swear I got time, just moving slower. Swear I got time, just moving slower. Swerving all night, don't pull me over. When I'm with you, when I'm with slower, slower. Swear I got time, just moving slower. Swear I got time, just moving slower. Swerving all night, don't pull me over. When I'm with you, when I'm with slower, slower. Over, swear I got
And just like that, you can create a really nice transition from an intro to a verse or from a verse to a hook. So this was Murda Melodies from Slate Digital. I really enjoy it. I hope that you enjoyed this video too. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to give this video a like, a comment. Thanks for the support and see you guys really, really soon. Cheers. Boom!